Howdy, I'm here to tell you the reasons and why we've developed EC Asset website for you. Maybe you are trying to create realistic scenes with Enscape in your Revit project, SketchUp, or any other platform that Enscape supports, and maybe you've encountered with lack of objects and assets in Enscape library. So we are here and we developed EC Asset website for you to get access to hundreds of Enscape Asset. Let's review some of the key features of EC Asset website. When you get access to all of these assets, you will save your time, and in results, you will save your money. And we have wide variety of categories, and you can find any assets you need. And also all of those assets are editable, and you can change the materials of them, and each element has their own material. You can change each of them, and also they are scalable. So if you want to fit it in other places beside of those sites that we've made them for you, we can change them easily in Enscape environment. And also every day we are trying to add to this library, and we have weekly updates, and when you buy our subscription, you can get access to new updates too. Don't leave this video because we have some gifts for you, and for the first 7 days of launch of EC Asset website, you can buy all of the subscriptions with 50% discount, and check the link in the description and get access to all of the plans with 50% discount.